Hello and welcome to Let's Go Read, where we aim to give you the confidence and the top tips to deliver an amazing book reading experience with your children. You can do it! One of our top recommendations this month is the fantastically illustrated One Fox accounting book thriller. This is the ultimate book about a fox who goes out hunting for dinner but soon meets his match. So here's our quick top tips. Our first top tip is all about delivering the book the right way. The author deliberately puts very few words on the page to create tension as the fox moves closer to the hen's hut. Read it with style, almost like the fox would be saying the words, such as 1 famished fox, 2 sly eyes, 3 plump hens. Make your read tense-filled so your child is on the edge of their seat, and also don't forget to knock 7 times when you reach number 7. Children love joining in at that point. The second top tip that we give for this book is that it's the perfect time to practice some counting. And whenever we read this book at home, my children love scanning the pages to find all the items, such as the feathers for example.
Why the hell are you dressed like a chicken?
Give it a go and let your children count and spot everything on the page. It's a really good idea to create interaction. Our final top tip for the book is to make sure that you point out some of the wow words used throughout the book. By explaining that famished on the opening page means starving hungry, a child will instantly understand that word. But don't just stop there. There are words like sly, plump, beady and frightened all included. So no more slyly sneaking the last chocolate, parents. And if you do, at least the children will have the correct word to describe your actions.
Much too good for children.
That's it from us. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content and to check out our website for our fun book subscriptions for children. But for now, we hope that our top tips have given you the inspiration to turn to your child tonight and say those 3 magic words. Let's go read. Thanks for watching.